Whether or not you realize it, your life is guided by your vision. Want to know the most effective tool to get you from where you are now to where you want to be and how to use it? Imagineering is that tool. Use your imagination fully every day. Our imagination connects us with our state desired. Become very familiar and aware of it, and let your vision bring about the life you truly desire. We want to be more, do more, have more, and give more. Get into the best schools. Get to the top of the class. Provide the best for our families. When we're in the mindset of helping people, the sky is the limit. Once you accomplish something, you don't have to listen to anyone's limitations anymore. What's your goal to create? What is your goal? What do we have to do to get on the same page with our goal? You have to decide what you want to be. What does visioneering really mean? The one goal that stretches you the most. The difference between what we want and what we think we want. So let's watch the Imagineering webinar.